very little good morning from our nice little room. It's really crazy how I can like flip a hotel room upside down in a matter of 24 hours. But we just did core power this morning. It was great. I feel like I was back in LA. I'm here with YSL Beauty for the Big Little Lies premiere. So excited for that. That is tonight. But your girl did not pack an outfit for the premiere. I did, but I don't want to wear it anymore. So we're gonna head out to lunch soon, but I'm just gonna see what's in this area and see if I can just hopefully get an outfit together. So we're gonna head out. Okay guys, Aziza is holding the camera for me, so I got free hands. But I am in New York with YSL Beauty and I'm so excited. They left this really amazing gift basket for us. Red apples, since we're in the city. Oh, cute. All right, and also this is just heaven mixed with some little sprinkles of crack. This is so good. Levain Bakery has the best cookies ever. It's actually like so dangerous for me to even open this box. And oh my god. This is so gracious of them to give this to us, and it's so beautiful. And I actually only use card holders like this as opposed to a wallet because homegirl doesn't ever carry cash on her. And then we have, oh, I closed it wrong. And then we have this entire bag of YSL Beauty products in here. Ooh. Okay, so I had very little time to get ready for dinner, but I did manage to swipe this on my eyelids. It's so beautiful. It is a new Sequin Crush. It's glitter bomb. Holla. Also, they gave us personalized lipstick. How cute. I'm just checking in to the Sofitel Hotel in New York, and this is waiting for me, and it's so sweet, and I'm actually so starving and so dehydrated, but this is just a sweet warm welcome. And I also have this amazing view outside. She's in the city, y'all. And then I have this lovely sweet situation here. I'm so looking forward to getting in that bed later. I'm so exhausted. And then we have this huge closet space, which I appreciate so much because this girl does not travel light. And then a bathtub. Heavenly. Done with the A-Wing show, and that was so sick.
We turned to each other at the end. We were like, we would wear everything,
every single piece. And it was really cool because it was at the Rockefeller Center. And I'm ending my week perfectly because it was a work week. I'm going to end it with a show, and now we're going to go hang out. And I have a free day tomorrow.
and I'm sleeping over.
So much fun! Eugenia and I got Postmates. I'm going down to our lobby right now. It's 3:30 in the morning right now, and we got Postmates. Love and Y. I'm so excited for this right now. I think we over-ordered, but... Yeah, I have to drink water upside down. Oh my god, we're eating on a towel. always my first order of business is to get an acai bowl right down my street over here. I love it. I look like the guy in Mean Girls when he's like, should I even go here? Let's see what I got from the grocery store. I got this unsweetened oat milk. I usually get Oatly, but they didn't have that. So I tried this, and I'm just noticing that it's not organic, but we'll give it a go. I always get dinosaur kale, so yummy. I got some organic pasture-raised large brown eggs. I pretty much have the same running market list every single time I go to the market. I get trio cherry tomatoes. And I get this frozen Atlantic salmon fillet. It's really nice at Whole Foods. It's like pre-packaged. So you basically just cut one out whenever you need to eat it. Oranges, vitamin C, but I also just love oranges. I got some sweet potato, and you just pop this in the oven at 350 or 375 for like 50 minutes to an hour, and they're like delish. I eat it all the time, and I actually get mine at the Korean market, but I saw that Whole Foods had it, and it's actually pretty good there. And then I just get this 365 organic crunchy peanut butter. I love peanut butter so much. I could eat it on a spoon, but whenever I do eat it, I eat it with bananas or apples. So delish. And I also have a plate fit workout class with Fran in about an hour and a half. Sometimes I do it, well, just like I'll do 2 workouts back to back in one day. I like low-key don't feel like going. I've been in such a weird little schmood, so I kind of don't feel like going, but I have to go. And yesterday I was listening to a Maria Forleo podcast. She's like one of my favorite people to listen to. If you guys don't know who she is, check her out. But in her podcast, she says that you should just act before you think. So sometimes, you know, in your head, before you go to a class, either wake up early in the morning or do something, I feel like you run it over in your head so many times. And then the more you think about it, you're like, I don't want to do it, I don't want to do it. So act before you think. So just pull yourself out of bed and go. That was me this morning because my class is very early. But that's going to be later with Plate Fit, so I'll see you guys after class. I'm going to be so sweaty and gross. There she is. I love this class. It could be one of my new favorite classes. The class is just 27 minutes long, and you're on this plate machine that vibrates like at rapid speed. I don't know what, but it's supposed to help like exponentially like burn calories, and you sweat.
It's supposed to help like with your muscles too, right?
I think so. I did the one, hello. I did the one in Studio City because Fran lives here. I wish they had a downtown location, but my hair literally doesn't have a hair tie on it. I just undid my bun and it stayed in place like this. That's a new level of crust. But yesterday I put hairspray in it, styled it, went to hot yoga today and another workout class. I had it in a bun and it's here to stay.
Tonight's theme is Night of the Roxbury.
Unintentional, but it works. And we're just going to run some errands right now. We're out and about. I just went to Smile Direct Club. I feel like I've heard ads for it.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored, guys. But I went to Smile Direct Club. I'm trying to straighten my teeth a little bit on the top here. So I'm interested to see. The process is like pretty seamless. Again, not sponsored. The process is really seamless. They do like a digital scan of your teeth, and in 3 to 4 weeks, they will send you little
trays,
like kind of like Invisalign. Yeah, so looking forward to that.
No. Why would you ask? Because I need
We're at the Grove right now.
That security system,
Over the summer.
infiltrate the gala.
free movies every Thursday. Fran is hosting it right now with Who What Where. She's busy editing her story.
So go home, get your affairs in order.
Yes,
Tomorrow,
we supporters.
we're pulling off one of the biggest jewelry
It's so
heists
cute there.
in history.
Guys, this toast from Lottery would be the death of me. I usually don't like French toast, but there's also one over there, and I'm so tempted.
$16.5 million in 3.5 weeks, and that will be home.
So I'm doing extensions for fullness right now, but initially they're this long, and I'm so not used to it. I look so weird. I don't even recognize myself. But also I do this long hair on occasion. So this is a result of 4.5, 5 hours. So Sammy put in extensions right here because I had a lot of breakage to make it very blunt. And I love it. I can't wait for my actual hair to grow out. But Sammy is my hair queen, and we just realized today that she's been doing my hair for 4 years now. Literally the only person I let touch my hair, but I love this butt cut. And I honestly can't even imagine myself with long hair anymore. I look so funky just now. And the sun is shining and so beautiful. Today I am shooting with Azusa. We are at Alfred's coffee room. I just changed on these steps. Honestly, like, shooting is so not glam. Essentially our car is our fitting room, and anywhere there's a corner and no people, fitting room. And today I am wearing this really cute nude dress from Revolve with my Pumas. These are actually so cute. I love like a good white sneaker. They match with everything. Here's a snippet of what my car looks like when I shoot. So usually my back seat is very clean. It does not look like this, but this is the madness of when we use our cars as our closets. Now let's get some boba. Welcome to LA.